Hello, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel again. And I'm here. I'm here with new steps and guidance as I taught for every one of you. But in this vlog and this video, I would like to talk about a little bit different topic, a little bit different and also topics I have discussed with before. It will belong to the discussions and also requests from people. I made this video just for them. And I hope that you watch this video until it and enjoy from it. In this video, I would like to say some data, some information related to totalization. Do you know totalization? What is it? Have you heard the name of totalization? It is something maybe new for you. You have not heard it. If you have not worked in engineering section, if you're not any just without any other sections, maybe you have worked as an maybe computer science engineer. Maybe you have studied another thing, but then all of them is belong to that. But when you are an engineer, when you have studied engineering or any places and any courses that you have studied, you have, I'm sure the person you have heard about it, totalization. Totalization is a kind of machine that can measure it and weigh, and I mean the distances that is really tough for all of us. So how we can use it? It has a definition. For example, we have meters. In the past, we had meters. And by meters, we were able to do long or to get there to find the distances among the places. For example, we needed to find a way that is reference from, for example, I need to find 1 meter, 2 meters long, how we can find either 9 meters and also a ticket to meter. But there was a big problem. What was that problem? The problem it was that when there is some places has got some places are maybe flat, but there are some places are not flat. They have some maybe just maintain something that is higher. How we can measure that? This is a big problem. This was a big problem for them. It was a problem that I could measure it directly, and if I was measure it by the method, it takes maybe just it will has got any problem. But with totalization, we will be able to level these machines, these places, measure these places by totalization. That counts some places and areas that is really necessary, and the by the meters we can't do this. And the question is this: where and how we can use from the totalization? Do you know what? There's a different thing. There's a different thing that has got the real rule. Play a real role. All of these things I mentioned, the things that I mentioned before, are plays a significant role in the designed parts, which is called surviving. In surviving, we could measure the upsides and also downsides. We can measure. What are the goals of surviving? I will tell you. When you learn the surviving, you will be able to survey. You will be able to learn and also measure the places, the distances that are suitable, be able to meters and engineers that you have studied before. You will be able to measure the streets, roads, railways, and also stations, and also role of stations you can study, and also measure the places which is called rocks and dams. You can make it created by the dams by the totalization surveying. In surveying, there is another section by the name of leveling. In leveling, we can use a machine by the name of called level machine. In level machine, we will learn something. For example, the distances among the places. For example, I have an obstacle in my front of face. I got a big problem and I can't see backside of this place as it is so big, and I have a hill and maybe I got a tree and I have not permission to cut that tree. So I need to machine to level it without cutting that tree. So that's called the level machine counts, and you will be able to find the direction, the places to count it. Where is that located? By the level machine. In level machine, there's several formulas. By just going and studying, you will learn all of the steps and guidance related to level machine, and also the performance which is needed. And survey has different kinds. The number one survey is not is this. It's called geodetic surveying. In geodetic surveying, you could be able to measure the distances by just it is subparallel. It is subparallel distance. Okay, it is maybe like in a triangle shape. It can be counted. Subparallel. It has been be counted by just it is degree will be 118, and it will be counted. And where we can use this geodetic surveying in just where it is really necessary is just so specific places that is so exceptional places, like that is factories, such workers, maybe some places which is called industrious, because when there's a difference and it can causes some big problems and maybe destroy that factory if someone has not used it any carefully. So a specific or geodetic surveying it will be used for just a specific and also exceptional places. Next kind of surveying is called plan surveying. In plan surveying, we study next part in it will count the lines. I mean, we can use it for measuring the horizontal places. It will be according to the coordinates of the land, the difference of distance of the places or the space of land from the ocean. It will be counted according to this, and it has the direct effect. It is also 118 meters, and because it doesn't have any difference, the direct difference, it will be horizontal, and that is it has the direct line. It will be used by the direct line that has just also effect for that direct line that is used. And also it is used will be for just maybe non-important places, maybe just simple places. It will be used, not a specific, not it has not any just places that is not needed. It can be used. And thank you for watching this video up to end. If you want to learn more videos and if you want to watch it, just like and subscribe my video. This kind of video was really important. I really appreciate it. I try to get information from everywhere. This information are valid, and if you needed more details, and also it has the surveying, tutorialization, and also level machining. This tree has got a really useful tools in the engineering. If you go to engineering, if you have the left and maybe succeeded in exam, concours exams, you could just score on the exam. So you need to learn these. You need to use and learn the using of these three tools for just yourself, not me, not others. It is really useful, and it just gets money. It gets drops. And thank you for watching this video up to end. Goodbye for now.